Peregrine. The early morning fog blankets the rolling hills in a translucent mask of water vapor and reflected light. As the lone peregrine circles skies high above, somewhere just south of heaven, peering through the mist with unrivaled eyes and a predator's heart, the dove sits preening his feathers, unaware. I stand alone on a cliffside, the sole witness to this spectacle of life and death about to unfold, both mesmerized and terrified as the falcon begins his dive. In a flash, it's over before the dove even knows it's begun. I stand overwhelmed in a cascade of conflicting emotions and a realization that I've learned some lesson here today, yet not knowing for sure what it was, as the peregrine soars away.